Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Drive. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type drive.google.com. Here, you can upload your file from new option. New Google Doc, Google Sheet, Google Form, and in the more option, Google Drawing, My Maps, Google Site, Google App Script, Google Jamboard. From here, in the new option, you can add new folder. I am showing you a folder. Here is our new folder that's called demo. In here, you can upload a file from your computer and you can edit them, preview them, open with Google Docs or other suggested app. You can share it and you can get link to share with everyone. You can show the file location, add shortcut to drive, you can move to other folder, add to started that you can find, you can rename, view details and copy or download it from here. Here in my drive, you can see the folder. In computer, by syncing your device, you can add files to your drive. In shared with me, the people can share with you a folder or a file. In the recent, you can see what you have seen or what is in your file in recent view. If you add to start this, then in start folder you can see it. And if you delete, in the trash folder you will find it. And you can also see how your storage has been used. So that is all about Google Drive. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and thanks for watching the video.